So let's talk some people. So let's get it going. So number one here, we got John.
How you doing? How you doing?
And
Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Yeah, my question is basically a simple one. You were talking about virtual markets. How do you get somebody to go check out the house if you find a house that's good, could be suitable?
So my favorite way is if you're going in I would probably go on Facebook. Facebook's probably the best way to find someone right now.
Okay.
What market?
I was
Unless you don't want to give out the market.
No, I don't care. I'm hitting up the central Illinois area.
Okay. Is that where the cash buyers or the boots on the ground that you're trying to find?
Yeah, I'm trying to find. Well, there's not very many cash buyers that I've found over there, mostly because of the restrictions that are on wholesalers in the state.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's. But it was back. It went back to what you were saying that I'm down here just south of Tampa, which is a pretty saturated area. And so I thought maybe if I went a little up to where I used to live in the central Illinois area, I could find better deals.
Okay.
And I'm finding pretty good deals, especially in towns where factories have moved out.
Oh yeah.
But I'm not finding the good quality cash buyers.
Okay. Well, this comes back to two things. So you can cold call cash sales on listri.com. I think you already know that.
Yeah.
I can tell you've watched my stuff, which is thank you, by the way. Number two here is realtors are probably going to be your biggest friend here of cash sales. So find cash sales and find the realtors associated with them and call those realtors and try to see if they know wholesaling or they want to deal with some of it. And they'd be a big one. I mean, realtors are huge for us right now.
Yeah. I'll have you know that I gave a couple gurus a lot more than a few tears to shed for you.
I appreciate it.
He called me up. I don't know how he even found my number, but he called me up and says, I hear you're looking to start into real estate. And I go, starting that way? Yeah. He goes, I got this course. It's like, I think he said $10,000. I said, and I was listening to his spiel. And at the end of it, I said, well, I can get that for free on another guy's site. And he goes, oh, you're talking about Rick and Zach or something? I said, yeah. He says, those guys won't give you the quality stuff like I will. I said, well, it seems to be quality to me.
I appreciate it. Are you talking to me? How much did you pay to talk to me right now?
Zero. Whatever it costs for an internet connection, which is.
Yeah. I mean, John, I seriously, I'll mentor you right here every week for do you think I care?
Well, I mean, yeah, that's what I mean. Most gurus, I'm going to tell the people out there, most gurus, if they mentor you at all personally, one-on-one, it's over the phone, about 10 minutes a month. 10 minutes a month.
Yep, that's
and
it.
At most 10 minutes a month.
Oh my gosh, I try my best, but yeah,
you and your dad do a good job. I really like listening to your dad too. So.
I appreciate it. I'll tell him. He says he's probably watching this right now or something.
He probably is.
Yeah, he's probably
you both have done a great job, and I wanted to say thank you for it.
I appreciate it, John. So, yeah, I think realtors are pretty good. Cold calling cash sales or SMS text blasting has been really well. Also, I would just find other wholesalers in Central Illinois. And
that's pretty slim.
Yeah, it's pretty slim. So that's another issue. But
most of I know one guy that was up there. He gave it up because of all the laws against it. So,
are you licensed?
No.
Okay.
No, I do know one real estate agent, but he's very, very much against wholesalers.
Okay, then so how are you going around that and wholesaling over there?
Double close. If I get a deal up there, I'll double close. Because then I'm technically, even though it would only be for a couple hours, I'm owning the property, and I was told that was legal.
Oh yeah, I'm not a lawyer, but yeah, it's pretty good.
It's one of those gray areas, kind of the loophole, I guess you could say.
Yeah, I wouldn't call it. You're legally the owner, like you're buying a property and selling it.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's the one real estate agent. When I told him what I was going to do, because he told me, well, wholesaling is illegal up here. I go, it is if you do it certain ways, but if I buy and hold, if I buy it and sell it, whether I sell it 2 hours later or 2 years later, it's still legal. He said, well, true. He said, I guess that's a way to get around it.
I honestly, they've been doing that since the 1700s, like buying a house and reselling it.
Oh,
they're not going to stop that.
So, well, anyway, I just want to say thank you for all you do.
I appreciate it. Any help or anything, let me know. If everyone's in Central Illinois and they want to JV with you or talk to you, where should they reach out?
I don't know. Can you give an email out here? Or
yeah, sure.
Okay. It's all one word. My second chance home at outlook.com.
Okay. Are you okay with people emailing you there?
Sure.
If they got a deal? Hit them up.
Sure,
also, I think Pasco County is pretty good. That'd be interesting too. Like north of Hillsborough. Yeah. A little more rural, but those counties aren't too bad.
Well, I know a guy from Maria that does a lot of business up in that area, Central Florida, north of Tampa and Orlando. He buys all of his houses. He says, I don't give my market out because it's like a fishing hole. I don't want to tell all the other fishermen where my fishing holes are. But he said, he said, I do a lot of markets up there.
Yeah, so just think about that. That's another good one you go after. But I appreciate it, John. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. You have a good day.
All right. Keep making those gurus cry.
All right. You bet.
Thanks, John. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.